There is something exciting about a device that blends technology with style and health in one package. People today want more than just a watch. They want a companion on their wrist that keeps them active, connected, and motivated. Garmin has been known for making such smartwatches, and the Garmin Venu 4 is the latest in their lineup. It brings fresh improvements, smoother performance, and new features that make it stand out. On Tap Tech, we dive deep into devices like this to see if they really deliver what they promise. So let's break down the Venu 4 and see why it might be the right choice for you. The Garmin Venu 4 looks and feels premium. It has a rounded design that is slim and comfortable for all-day wear. The materials feel durable but light, so it doesn't weigh down your wrist. Garmin has kept the look stylish but also practical, so it doesn't scream sports watch only. This balance makes it suitable for workouts, office wear, or even casual outings. The straps are interchangeable, so you can swap them to match your style. The attention to detail shows Garmin's focus on making the watch versatile enough for different lifestyles. The display is one of the highlights here. The Venu 4 comes with an AMOLED touchscreen that looks sharp, bright, and colorful. Text is crisp, animations are smooth, and the colors pop whether you are indoors or outside in direct sunlight. The always-on option is handy, and it doesn't drain the battery as much as you'd expect. Whether you're checking the time, tracking your workout, or just browsing through notifications, the screen feels responsive and enjoyable to use. It's a big upgrade for those who value visual quality in their smartwatch. Performance is another area where the Garmin Venu 4 shines. It is powered by updated hardware that keeps the interface smooth. Navigating menus, opening widgets, or tracking workouts happens without lag. GPS tracking is quick to lock and highly accurate, which is great for runners, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts. Heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring are also much more precise compared to older models. It even supports advanced metrics for fitness lovers, making it a serious tool for those who want reliable health data. The software experience has been refined as well. Garmin's platform is feature-rich but still easy to use. The watch offers preloaded workouts, animated exercise guidance, and custom training plans. Health snapshots give you quick overviews of your body state. Women's health tracking, body battery, respiration, and hydration tracking are also included. Plus, with support for music storage and streaming from apps like Spotify and Deezer, you can enjoy workouts without your phone. Notifications from your smartphone come through clearly, and the watch even supports quick replies if paired with Android. Battery life has always been a strong point for Garmin, and the Venu 4 continues that tradition. On a single charge, it can last up to a week with normal use, even with regular tracking and notifications. With GPS and music playback, it still outperforms many competitors. Charging is fairly quick, so even short top-ups give you hours of extra use. This long battery life means you don't have to worry about daily charging, which is a huge advantage over some other premium smartwatches. Connectivity is broad and reliable. The watch connects seamlessly with smartphones, and syncing with the Garmin Connect app is smooth. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and AN2+ support ensure compatibility with accessories and third-party devices. You can connect wireless headphones for music, link with heart rate straps, and even pair with cycling sensors. For payments, Garmin Pay is built in, so you can leave your wallet at home and still make purchases on the go. Now, when it comes to price, the Garmin Venu 4 sits in the mid to premium range. It's not the cheapest smartwatch, but it justifies the cost with its blend of fitness tracking, health insights, smartwatch features, and battery life. Compared to other popular models, it offers more reliability in fitness and wellness tracking while still giving you the convenience of notifications, payments, and music. For someone who values a balance between lifestyle and serious health tracking, it feels like a good investment. Of course, there are pros and cons. The Venu 4 offers a bright AMOLED display, accurate GPS, excellent battery life, and a wide set of health features. It is affordable, stylish, and versatile enough for both fitness and daily life. On the other side, the App Store and third-party support are not as rich as what you get with Apple or Samsung. Also, some might find the price a bit high compared to fitness trackers that cover the basics. So, is the Garmin Venu 4 worth it? The answer depends on what you want. If you're looking for a smartwatch mainly for apps and entertainment, you might find better options elsewhere. But if you want a reliable, accurate, stylish, and powerful health-focused smartwatch, the Venu 4 is one of the best in its class. Garmin has refined the experience so well that it feels like a perfect companion for fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious users who don't want to compromise on design or battery life. At Tap Tech, we explore the devices that shape how we live, work, and play, and the Garmin Venu 4 is a strong example of that. It's more than just a watch. It's a lifestyle tool that keeps you connected and motivated while looking good on your wrist. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Stay tuned for more honest reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.